In the heart of the enchanted forest where sunlight filters through the canopy, there's a realm alive with whispers of the wind and melodies of the brook. This is a place where magic is as real as the vibrant flowers that bloom, and the towering trees that stand as ancient sentinels. A plethora of animals, each unique and exquisite, find solace in this verdant haven. From the playful squirrels to the wise old owls, the enchanted forest is a sanctuary to a diverse array of animals that call this place home. Once a year, the animals of the forest come together for the Great Gathering. It's an annual spectacle where creatures big and small set aside their differences and celebrate the beauty of their shared home. From the smallest ant to the tallest giraffe, each creature brings something unique to the table, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. It's a testament to the unity that exists amidst diversity, a celebration of harmony in the wild. Indeed, all are welcome to join in the festivities. But this year, a challenge looms over the forest. The life-giving stream, once a crystal-clear source of refreshment, now carries a somber message of pollution. This murky intruder threatens not only the joyous gathering but the very essence of life in the enchanted forest. As the animals huddle together, inspecting the tainted waters, their faces mirror the stark reality of their predicament. The once vibrant stream has fallen silent, its cheerful babble replaced by a muted plea for help, their faces filled with worry. Determined to restore harmony to their home, a brave group of animals sets out on a quest to find solutions to the pollution problem. From the smallest critter to the largest beast, they understand the urgency of their mission and the importance of their collective effort. Each animal, bringing to the table their unique talents and insights, is ready to contribute. The wise old owl, with years of wisdom, guides the group, while the nimble squirrel scampers up and down trees, scouting for possible solutions. The industrious ants band together, ready to clean up any mess, and the clever fox devises ingenious plans. Even the smallest contributions are valuable in this quest. They engage in lively brainstorming sessions, learning from each other and growing stronger as a team. This unity and diversity is their greatest strength as they march forward, determined to overcome the challenge that lies ahead. Indeed, each contributes their unique talents and insights to the journey. With their minds united and their hearts filled with purpose, the animals spring into action. Like a well-oiled machine, they work together, each contributing their unique skills to the cause. The beavers, with their powerful teeth and strong tails, start to clean up the debris in the stream. Their efforts are complemented by the birds, who fly high and far, spreading seeds to help new plants grow along the stream banks. Meanwhile, the old wise owl, with knowledge as deep as the forest itself, takes on the role of an educator. He shares his wisdom with the younger generation, teaching them about the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving it. The other animals listen attentively, realizing that their actions today will shape the future of their forest home. Together they learn, they act, and they make a difference, showing that every creature, no matter how small, has a role to play in protecting their environment. Slowly but surely, the efforts of the animals begin to bear fruit. The once muddied waters of the stream now bubble and flow with a clarity that sparkles like a diamond under the dappled forest light. Life returns to the forest in abundance, with flowers blooming brighter, trees standing taller, and the air humming with the melodies of 1,000 tiny wings. And so, a grand celebration ensues, echoing through the leafy corridors of the enchanted forest. The animals, their hearts filled with triumph and joy, sway in a dance as old as the forest itself, their voices rising in a chorus of jubilant songs, celebrating their success with joyous dances and songs. Through their unity, determination, and unwavering spirit, the animals of the enchanted forest have taught us a powerful lesson. They've shown us that no challenge is too great when we stand together and respect the natural world around us. Their journey is a testament to the beauty of unity and diversity, and the importance of environmental stewardship. Their actions, driven by a shared love for their home, have brought about renewal and instilled hope for a brighter future. And so, as we journey with them through their enchanting world, we're reminded of the power of cooperation and resilience. As the sun sets over the forest, they know their home is in good hands.